This is Biotronix Pneumatic Shockwave Therapy device with ultrasound. You can see this is how device looks like that, and this is the carry box where you can keep your applicator. This is the applicator, and this is the ultrasonic applicator. You can see these are the both applicators that can be carried in the accessory box, and the accessory box is also having the different attachment. Like in the shockwave, you have this one head plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are total 7 heads in the shockwave, and in the shockwave there is one bullet which travels from here to there and strike the surface and generate the shockwave. So that bullet will give you around 3 lakh to 4 lakh shots, and after getting after providing you the shots, it will get consumed up, and after that you need to replace the same with the spare bullets. So we are providing 4 spare bullets with the same. You can see these are the spare bullet of tungsten carbide metal, where other models in the market don't provide any spare bullets. So once consumed up, you need to buy the same, but we are providing the 4 spare bullets with the same and one with the in the prop. So you're total getting around 5 bullets, and one bullet will give you around 3 lakh to 4 lakh shots. And because this is tungsten carbide, and while other models in the market don't give around 1.5 to 2 lakh shots. So if you are getting 3 lakh to 4 lakh shots for one bullet, from 5 bullets you are getting around 18 lakh to 22 lakh shots from the device, which is quite good, and you can say as comparison to other models in the market, this is the best one. So you are getting 5 bullets and 7 different interchangeable heads, and this is a combination of shockwave and ultrasound. Now I will give you the demo of the device, and will show you all the parameters and everything. Stay tuned. I just switch on the device, and as you can see the screen is coming, and now you need to touch anywhere in the screen. Touch this is because this is the touch screen, and here you need to input the code. Default code is 00000, but you can modify the code, and the same can be used for the person to protect the device from being used. The code will be shared to the person who can use the device. So when the person will put that code, that modified code, the person can use the device. So this is the modified code option. Same can be modified from here, or you just need to put the default one 000. So the two section will come, shockwave and ultrasound. First I will give you the demo of the shockwave, then ultrasound. I just select the shockwave. You can see you are getting 10 treatment protocols: elbow, knee, shoulder, hip for pubic, hand raise for lumbar, for foot. These are the 8 physiotherapy protocols: one for the ED, erectile dysfunction, and one for the fat accumulation. And so there are total 10 protocols, where 8 for the physiotherapy, 1 for the ED, and 1 for the fat accumulation. So now I will show you by operating the same. Like I select the foot or ankle. So here you can see that 1 and 2nd is yellow highlighted one, because recommended applicator is shown in the 1 and 2nd image. So for the ankle, the suggestion and the recommendation is this highlighted in the yellow. Other things are also recommended here. 2000 to 2500 shots you can give, 5 to 10 session you can give in interval 5 to 7 days. Energy bar is also recommended, this 2.5, frequency 3 Hertz, or please select 100,000. This is the recommendation for the same, but doctor can vary the same according to the need of the patient, or according to the illness, or according to the treatment, or according to the decision of the doctor. This is the pre-selection, where you have to select the shots, while other models in the market is up to 2500 or 3000. Our is the maximum 5000. So I can go up to 5000 in that device, because this is the advanced latest technology. So I can go up to 5000. This is the current section. When I will start the device, the shot I will be getting will be counted over here, and once the same reach 5000, it will be protocol will be stopped. And this is the frequency section. The minimum is 1 Hertz and the maximum is 22 Hertz. While the other models in the market is having 16 Hertz, we are providing up to 22 Hertz. Energy bar 0.5 bar to 12 bar we are providing. While other models in the market is having 8 bar or 10 bar, we are providing up to 12 bar. You can see this is up to 12 bar. So this is the advanced latest technology with the maximum energy, and which is 12 bar. So now I will operate the device and show you the demo. I will be using the same on my hand. I'm not putting 12 bar because that is too much for my hand tissue area. So I am putting the same as 5.5 bar, and after that I will remove my hand and show you the up to 12 bar. So now I will start the device. I need to click the same. I need to press that button. You can see I'm just increasing the intensity. Now you can increase the filter knob. 7, 8. That's the maximum I can bear. After that I will increase the film and show you. The 12. I will decrease the frequency now. So you can see the frequency. Increase the frequency. So I'm getting the software from here. In between, if the shot is getting counted up over here, and when the same will reach 5000, it will be stopped. In between, if I want to pause the treatment, I need to press the button, the doctor need to press the button, and the treatment will be stopped. Once I press the same, it will be resumed. So this is the shockwave demo, and I have told you about all the parameters and everything, and all the protocols over here. And I have already shown you the difference between the maximum and the minimum frequency as well as intensity. Now I need to stop the treatment. Going back. Now I will show you the ultrasound section. Ultrasound section, you can vary the time from 5 minutes to 1 hour. And modes in you are having one auto mode and M1, M2, M3, M4. There are 5 modes: auto mode, M1, M2, M3, M4. So this, the mode is continuous and pulse, and intensity you can vary from 10% to 100%. And now I will show you the demo of the device. I will, as ultrasound waves can't be seen via eye or naked eye, so in the video to show the presence of ultrasonic waves, I will place some water over the applicator, and once the ultrasonic waves will pass through that applicator, the water will get cavitation effect and it will get vaporized. So that will show you the presence of ultrasonic waves. Now I will show you the practical demo of the same. I have taken the ultrasound out. You can see this is ultrasonic probe, and this is the gold plated one, 1 megahertz ultrasound. I'm putting some water on the same and starting the same. Start and increase the intensity. You can see the water is getting vaporized. You can see ultrasonic waves is getting produced for the physiotherapy and rehabilitation, and water is getting evaporized. Don't use ultrasound probe without contact with the body of the patient or testing on the water, because that may damage the crystal if the same intensity is increased or some intensity is put on the value, and the same is not in the contact with patient body or water in contact with the air, the crystal may get damaged. So you can see this is the ultrasonic. Now I am switching off the same. Stop, back, and reverse. So this is the premium model of shockwave therapy and ultrasound as a combination, and the touch screen of the same you can see that is bigger in the available in the market. So bigger touch screen and combination of shockwave and ultrasound. Ultrasound is 1 megahertz, shockwave is 0.5 bar to 12 bar with the frequency 1 to 22 hertz, and there are 7 different interchangeable heads. There are 1 bullet inside the prop and 4 spare, so total has 5 bullets. 1 bullet will give you around 3 lakh to 4 lakh shots, and total 5 bullet will give you around 18 lakh to 22 lakh shots. So the same accessories come in the carry box, you can see, and this is the premium model with the bigger touchscreen display. Thank you for watching.